Good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Wanted to give you a quick Hurricane Ian update. This is being recorded just after 3 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon for context. The 3 p.m. update for Hurricane Ian location is 23.7 miles north, 23.7 degrees north, 83.3 degrees west, about 255 miles south of Sarasota, Florida. Maximum sustained winds right now 120 miles an hour, which keeps the storm at a category 3 right now. And the present movement is moving the storm north at about 10 miles an hour. And the maximum pressure is 952 millibars inside of the storm right now. You can see we've got it up on the radar here, and we're using a little bit of the satellite radar combined because not all of the storm has made it close enough to where the radars will pick it up. So we're getting just what we can here from locally, there in Florida, and we're just giving you what we can. But here is Ian. There's a center of circulation for you, and we'll go ahead and pan up and take you along the track here. And as you can see, as we get into the weekend, the storm will be a tropical depression and will be passing basically west of the county as far as the center of circulation goes if this track continues to hold. So we'll certainly keep an eye on it as that could make things very interesting for us. Let's go ahead and take a look at the model data now. And again, keep in mind, this is not a forecast. This is just essentially model data showing you what our chances are in terms of when rain will start, different things like that. I want to get in just a little closer to home here. So there you see Salisbury on the map there, just for context. And then we're going to show the general area here. So this is at 11 a.m. Friday morning, and these are in 3-hour increments. So we'll take you down to 2 a.m. Wow, that jumped way ahead. Oh, that's because it jumped completely to the end of the model. So we'll back this up. I apologize for that. But we'll take you back again to 11 a.m. There we go, 11 a.m. Friday morning. And you can see the storm starting to, or at least some of the rain starting to make its way into the area. And it'll all be coming in counterclockwise here. So basically, it'll rotate in to begin with, moving from southeast to northwest, and then rotate around as the storm moves forward. Again, the good news is this is not going to be anything severe we have to worry about at this point. The cooler temperatures will keep the severe chances down, so nothing to worry about there. As we head into Friday afternoon, this is now 5 p.m. going into Friday evening. You see some moderate rainfall starting to take place around the county. Heavy rainfall starts to move in by Friday evening. And then as we head into the overnight hours of Friday into Saturday, you see rain chances continue to be moderate to heavy. And then as we get into Saturday morning, start to see some breaks in some of the activity. So we're not going to see a complete washout, but we will see quite a bit of rainfall as we go through the day on Friday and Saturday. This is now Saturday evening at around 2, or Saturday afternoon around 2 p.m. You see rain still kind of moderate to heavy at times. A lot of widespread activity going on. This is now going on 5 p.m. Saturday evening. This is now 8 p.m. So if you're planning on going to the Charlotte FC game Saturday evening, the game should take place. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't, unless they just lost power at the stadium or something like that. But you want to poncho up for sure, because it is going to be a wet time there at the Charlotte FC game. This is now Saturday evening, late in the evening, going on 11 p.m. You see things really starting to break up, and we head to the overnight hours with a lot of breaks in the activity. This is now 8 a.m. Sunday morning, starting to see just basically pockets of rainfall moving through the area as the system will continue to move off to the north. And as we head into Sunday, this is around midday now, 11 a.m. You see pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall going on. This is 2 p.m. Sunday afternoon, going on 5 p.m. Now 8 p.m. Sunday. This is 11 p.m. Sunday, and you can see the rain really starting to taper off as we head into the overnight hours of Sunday into Monday. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what the models are showing in terms of the potential for rainfall accumulation. So you see basically a lot of colors on the map here, a lot of grays and things like that. And we'll go ahead and just basically turn what we call the probe on here and just kind of show you. But basically rainfall going to be anywhere between 2 and 3 inches around the area. There could be some pockets that get more or less, especially along what we call the Blue Ridge Escarpment right through here. You could see up to 4 inches of rainfall there or more. There could be some localized area that get more, but mainly we're looking at for especially Rowan County, anywhere between 2 and 3 inches of rainfall. Could be again more or less, and then areas to our west looking at up to 4 inches or more of rainfall, especially right along that Blue Ridge Escarpment. That is basically where the mountains and the foothills kind of meet each other, and the ridges start to really elevate there. And that's where you get a lot of upslope moisture that will develop and continue to take place. So we'll give you another update later, but I did want to provide this one. Again, this is the 3 p.m. update here on Tuesday. This is on Tuesday, September the 27th. So we'll have more details for you later with another Hurricane Ian update. As always, thank you for following Rowan County weather, and have a safe time, everybody. Again, nothing to worry about really with this system as of right now, other than plenty of rainfall, some very cold temperatures. So basically a cold, wet, dreary weekend ahead for us with this system, and no real concern for severe weather at this point. But we'll continue to stay on top of it, keep you updated as we get closer to the storm. As always, thank you for following Rowan County weather, and have a great Tuesday, everybody.